If I may, Christian, I just want to say that on the entrepreneurship, I mean, first you need an industry in Europe, okay, a pharma and device industry, out of which innovation can come from, actually, but as well people with experience that will be the founders or co-founders of startups focused on a given technology, program, device that will bring that to the next step with more attention and focus than the big guys would ever have put onto it, okay? So we need to keep the big guys in Europe, okay, because this is as well a pool of experienced people. And then in terms of entrepreneur and startups, I mean, we have had now a few generation of those. And interestingly enough, as much as some biotech and device companies became bigger and became themselves the next acquirers, okay, after starting nimble and growing, you've got from this first generation of entrepreneurs, people having worked closely to those guys with successes, but as well with failures, because you learn from failures. And this is something that we really need to keep in mind in Europe. Failures is not the end of it. As long as you understand why and you don't repeat it, it's great in terms of experience to get to the next step with another opportunity. And so you see a lot of those people coming from, I would say, all names in European biotech, successful ones usually, that are now CEO of companies, sometimes 2 or 3 times CEO of companies. So you see, we have entered, I think, into this virtuous cycle in Europe, which US experienced a long time ago. But again, the US, I think, has been largely pulled up with a very attractive and welcoming capital market, which has been lacking for too long in Europe. And this is something we really need to tackle.